How to make picture fit wallpaper on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the gallery application on your device or any photos application and then select on any picture that you would want to set as a wallpaper on your Android. So what you're going to do is click on the picture and tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here you can see the option of set as wallpaper. So tap on set as wallpaper and here you'll be able to tap on it and you can see the lock screen view, and if you tap it on again you'll be able to see the home screen view. So you can select whichever you would want, or you can set it for both by tapping on apply, and then you can set as either lock screen or home screen, or you can set for both. Now I would want to set this for lock screen, so I'm going to tap on set as lock screen, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.